how to solve Samsung USB connector connected and disconnected problem. So if your Samsung phone is repeatedly showing you connected and disconnected notification that is preventing your screen from turning off, then I have some of the solutions that you can apply in order to fix the problem. So let's begin. First of all, you'll have to open your phone settings and then scroll down until you find About Phone. Once you find About Phone, you're going to tap on Software Information and then repeatedly tap on Build Number 7 times. That will allow you to unlock the Developers option. So once you unlock your Developers option, you're gonna scroll down and go to this option and then make sure that your USB debugging is turned on. So once you make sure that this is turned on, you're going to scroll down until you find default USB configuration and then make sure this is on charging phone only. So after doing this, you can make sure you restart your phone here and then try plugging in your USB to see if that will solve the issue. If not, you're going to go back to your settings and then go to your notifications option and then tap on app notification. Tap on this 3 dot to show system apps. Once you do this, you're going to go down and find Android system. Once you find this, go on notification categories and then find system USB connections and USB importance low. Once you click on it, you can tap on lock screen and then tap on don't show notification. If any of this works, if any of the previous don't work, you can permanently turn off the USB connected and disconnected notification from here, and the notification will no longer be visible on your phone. And that's how you can solve the problem. Thank you for watching.